this is the first inductor, and here, this is the second inductor. It contains 3 terminals. These 2 inductors should not be connected together, as you can see. Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to test the transformers. As you know, the transformer contains 2 windings. The primary winding is the coil that is connected to the power source, and the secondary winding is the coil that delivers the energy to the load. So I'm going to show you how to test many kinds of transformer. So as you can see, here we have the transformer terminals. Okay, basically the transformer contains terminals in 2 sides. So one side is a primary winding and the other side is a secondary winding. So I'm going to show you how to test many kinds of transformer. We're gonna use the multimeter and we're gonna select the continuity option in the multimeter, okay, to test the transformers. So let's begin with this transformer. So as you can see, we have many terminals, as I told you before. So a good transformer is a transformer that respects 2 conditions. So the primary winding should have 2 separate inductors, okay? And the terminals, the secondary windings, should be connected together, okay? So I will show you how. So let's check this transformer. We set the continuity in the multimeter. Let's begin. Let's check these 2 terminals. We have connection. The third one, we have connection. As you can see in the multimeter, we have low resistance, 0 ohm. Also, we have connection. We have connection. We have connection. So all terminals are connected together. So this is the secondary winding. This is a good winding, okay? Because all terminals are connected together. Let's check the other side. Here, we should find 2 separate inductors, okay? This is the first inductor. And here, this is the second inductor. It contains 3 terminals. These 2 inductors should not be connected together, as you can see. We don't have no reading in the multimeter. So these 2 inductors are separated. So this is the primary winding, as you can see. Okay, so this is a good transformer. Let's check this transformer also using the same working principle. So let's check these pins. So as you can see, these 4 pins are connected together, means this is the secondary winding. This is a good winding. Okay, let's check the other side, the primary winding. We should find 2 separate inductors. This is the first inductor, containing 2 pins, as you can see. And this is the second inductor. 3 terminals connected together. Okay, the 2 inductors are not connected together. So we have here 2 separate inductors, means this is a good transformer. Let's check another transformer, but this time installed in the circuit board using the same working principle. So let's locate first the terminals for the transformer. As you can see here, we have 5 terminals here. It seems that is the secondary winding, and here we have the primary winding, 4 terminals. Here we have T means transformer. So let's check the secondary winding. All terminals should be connected together. As you can see in the multimeter, we have 0 ohm, means all terminals connected together. This is a good transformer. Okay, let's check the primary winding. We should find 2 separate inductors. This is the first one. No connection here. This is the second one, okay, as you can see. So this is a good transformer. So to summarize, a transformer contains 2 windings or 2 coils. The primary winding is the coil that is connected to the power source. So this winding contains 2 separate coils or more. And the secondary winding is the coil that delivers the energy to the load. So the terminals of the secondary winding is connected together. All terminals. These terminals can be 4, 5, or 6, or more, in accordance with the type of the transformer.